Best deals.
1. Fry pan is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. Enjoy a low-oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The fry pan is perfect to cook or serve omelette, egg fry, fish fry. The fry pan is made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Hair dryer holder. Crafted from durable metal, this wall-mounted hair dryer holder offers a sleek and practical storage solution for your hair dryer and styling accessories. It keeps your hair dryer, styling tools, and small accessories neatly arranged in one place, perfect for bathrooms, salons, dressing rooms, and more. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Strainer pot. Lock it, tilt it, drain it. Never fumble with a separate colander again. Works for pasta, noodles, rice, anything you need to drain. Works on all cooktops. Heavy Tripoli base ensures even heat and prevents burning even on high power induction. Perfect for students, working professionals, and small households. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Teapot. It. Premium grade stainless steel construction ensures this teapot won't break easily like your glass or porcelain pots. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2-liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily, and your tea will end up exactly where you want to pour it. Moreover, you will enjoy your tea mess-free and spill-free. A cool touch handle enables you to use your teapot safely. The handle stays cool even with hot tea in the pot and makes it easier to grip. Moreover, the top lid stays secure when you pour your tea. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Organizer. Durable, waterproof material protects your items from moisture and dust. Built-in steel frame provides stability, keeps the box in shape, and allows for easy stacking without collapsing. Strong side handles make it easy to carry and move. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cabinet. Perfect for organizing clothes, toys, makeup, kitchen essentials, and more. An ideal plastic cupboard or baby almirah for versatile home use. Made with strong, lightweight plastic, this modular drawer storage unit offers long-lasting durability, ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or kids' rooms. This compact plastic drawer organizer fits seamlessly as a wardrobe plastic cabinet, cosmetic organizer shelf, or kitchen storage rack for home. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Lunch box. Stacked vertically, this 2% square tiffin has a tall, slim profile that fits perfectly in backpacks, handbags, and side compartments. A great steel lunch box for daily travel, has secure, leak-proof closure for curries and liquids. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coffee grinder. The metallic burr grinder produces a fine and even ground coffee, which better retains the aroma of coffee and helps you to taste great coffee. The electric coffee grinder offers 16 kinds of grinding sizes. Enjoy the different grind sizes and coffee styles right from the comforts of your kitchen. The coffee grinder has a large capacity to make 12 cups of grounds. The setting of adjustable cups can be used for a single person, for families, or even in the office. The electric burr grinder is small in size and good in quality, and glazed black can better show the texture of the product. Moreover, it will perfectly fit into your kitchen. Upper chamber, container, and the grinding burr mill inside the machine can be removed easily for cleaning. You can use a cleaning brush to clean the insides of the coffee grinder. Coffee grinder is for every coffee lover who needs to drink a perfect cup of coffee brew every morning. Start grinding your coffee beans easily with just the press of a button. No more tired arms and wasting 10 to 15 minutes of your valuable morning time. This electric grinder, sleek design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use. Mini-sized grinder is space-saving and fits perfectly in any kitchen, making it easy to store and use, Coffee grinder electric delivers quick and efficient grinding for various ingredients. Equipped with a powerful motor to quickly grind spices, coffee beans, dry masalas, and more. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Storage jars. Made from premium food-grade silicone that won't crack, shatter, or chip like glass. Safe for everyday use in busy kitchens, family homes, travel, picnic and RV living. BPA-free silicone keeps your food safe. A clean, safe choice for storing hot or cold meals. Ideal for fridge and pantry organization, store snacks, cereals, pasta, grains, baking ingredients, store leftovers, soups, stews, sauces, jams, pickles, sourdough starter, and meal prepped hot or cold foods with ease. Freezer safe for meal prep, microwave safe for reheating, and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Brass jar. Made from pure brass, ensuring high quality and authenticity. Storing food in brass containers can enhance the nutritional value by retaining essential nutrients and minerals. Brass is a highly durable material, ensuring that the container lasts for many years with proper care. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Rack. Can be used to store the lids of pots, pans, and utensils, as well as the plate. Whether it is placed in the kitchen cabinet or on the countertop, it will give you a clean and tidy kitchen environment. Cooker stand is equipped with 9 adjustable stainless steel dividers. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Corkscrew. Is made of food-grade stainless steel with a handle inlaid with natural wood. The solid wood handle makes the bottle opener more beautiful. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Casserole. Is designed with a finer grade of ceramic coating which is of light ivory color and gives a smoother finish. This formulation is uniquely designed to not stain even with Indian recipes. The finer grade of special non-stick ceramic coating gives a smooth finish and is scratch resistant and stain resistant for hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Bread box. With a roll-up lid and sturdy handle, putting away and grabbing a loaf of bread or baked snack as a snap. Turn your kitchen into a retro retreat with this vintage-styled bread box. Uplift your breakfast spread with this butter dish. Consisting of a drainer and a cover accented with a butter print for added appeal, it's perfect for storing in the refrigerator. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Water dispenser. Is equipped with innovative double pump technology that enables 2x faster dispensing. Say goodbye to waiting, as it can effortlessly dispense 1 liter of water in just 20 seconds, offering a faster, smoother, and more efficient hydration solution for your busy family. Powered by a built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery, our water dispenser provides long-lasting service. Once fully charged, it can dispense water for up to 1 month or 6 to 8 cans of 20 liters, minimizing charging hassles for busy moms. Designed to fit cans with a 2.16-inch, 5.5 centimeters neck, this water pump is a perfect match for most water cans out there. Easy installation, easy use, designed keeping busy moms in mind. User-friendly for all age groups, from your little ones to the elderly in the family. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cooker. Advanced Triple E construction with an aluminum core ensures even and faster heat distribution for efficient cooking. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Storage box. Has effortless front door access with a clear display for your prized sneakers. Made of heavy-duty plastic which is hard, thick, sturdy, and non-deformable. The shoe boxes can be stacked and connected together to prevent them from falling out when tilted. The shoe box can be combined freely according to the storage space, such as entryway, under the bed, closet, toilet. The door has 2 magnets that provide suction when the door is closed. Transparent and magnetic door, so you can quickly and easily find the shoe you need, and take out or put in shoes easily with one hand. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Citrus Press Juicer. Equipped with efficient two-way rotation and multiple cone sizes, extracts more juice from both small and large citrus fruits with minimal effort. Adjustable pulp control lets you enjoy smooth or pulpy juice, just the way you like it. Easily monitor juice levels and prevent overflow while juicing. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Espresso maker. Works on both gas stoves and induction cooktops, ideal for busy women who need flexibility without extra equipment. Brew a bold, rich cup of espresso right in your kitchen, while the kids nap, before the day begins, or during a quiet break between chores. It's not just coffee, it's a few minutes of calm, clarity, and comfort in the middle of a beautifully chaotic life. Because moms deserve more than just caffeine, they deserve a moment that's theirs. Premium aluminum heats quickly and evenly, perfect for rushed mornings. The cool touch handle and V spout let you pour confidently without burns or mess, even when multitasking. Brew 4 to 6 cups in a space-saving 300 ml design that fits into small kitchens or travel bags. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning a breeze, because moms need quick, no-fuss solutions. This mocha pot makes a perfect present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or housewarmings. It's compact, elegant, and gives the gift of peaceful coffee moments. Temperature-resistant handle allows for easy and safe pouring. The safety release valve controls water pressure and delivery for perfectly extracted espresso, every time. Simply fill the lower chamber with water up to max level till valve. Add ground coffee to the filter, and place on stovetop. Within minutes, delicious espresso coffee will fill your pot. Remove from the stove and enjoy. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Kadhai. Crafted with nitrided iron, the surface is hardened to resist abrasion, while its corrosion-resistant and low-porosity finish means it uses less oil and is less likely to rust. The non-reactive surface ensures your food retains its natural taste without unwanted reactions. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Container. Designed with versatility in mind, this 1.1-liter container is ideal for storing and pouring various liquids. It's particularly well suited for refined oil. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Storage organizer. This versatile storage solution is not limited to under-bed storage. A shoe organizer under bed can also be used under your closet storage or sofa. It accommodates various items such as clothing, shoes, books, toys, and more, ensuring an organized and clutter-free living space while maximizing your available storage space. The transparent top makes it easy to quickly identify what's inside your storage. To totally keep the dust, humidity or dirty out, the under-bed rolling storage designed with closed dual zip-up lid and quality non-woven fabric. Moreover, your kitten and dog can no longer make a mess under your bed. With the all-in-one under-bed organizer, you needn't worry for finding separately dust bag. Under-bed shoe storage features a user-friendly design with 360-degree silent rotation wheels, making it effortless to pull out and slide under your bed. It comes with 3 sturdy handles for easy maneuverability. The wheels are detachable, allowing you to use it independently in your closet if desired. Under-bed storage containers dimensions: 78 x 44 x 13 cm, designed specifically to fit most under-bed spaces. These under-bed storage bins are versatile and can be used under beds, in closets, on shelves, or beneath sofas. They are an excellent choice for bedrooms, dorms, basements, and more. The under-bed storage bins is made of a sturdy metal frame with a transparent lid, allowing you to easily locate items at a glance while preventing dust buildup. It enables effortless access to your desired items. Any super organized person can tell you the importance of using out-of-the-way space. Tuck away seasonal clothing, bedding, shoes, books, toys, decorations under bed, tall shelves, dresser, couch, desk, crib or other small nooks. Easy to maneuver through narrow spaces. The under-bed storage for clothes not only ideal for home storage but for small apartment dwellers and college students who wish to keep their dorms tidy. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Electric rice cooker. The sleek, compact shape of our multi-cook electric kettle not only saves valuable counter space but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. It's a stylish addition that matches any kitchen decor. Customize your cooking experience with our adjustable power modes. Whether you need to bring water to a rapid boil or keep a gentle simmer, these settings let you tailor the cooking process for the best results. 600W, allowing you to spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. This multi-cook kettle features a powerful 600W motor, ensuring quick and effective boiling in cooking times. The large 1.2L capacity is ideal for cooking meals for one person or the whole family. Save time and energy by preparing bigger batches at once. This innovative kettle is more than just a kettle. With a range of cooking modes, it can boil, simmer, saute, and more. Prepare soups, stews, noodles, and hot beverages with ease, all in one compact appliance. Your safety is our top priority. The kettle features safety mechanisms such as overheat protection and boil-dry protection, ensuring worry-free cooking every time. Enjoy protein-rich breakfast of boiled eggs or gorge on fluffy idlis, relish diet-conscious as well as delicious breakfast in a jiffy with the help of multi-cooking feature of Kent Multi-Cooker. It has 800W high power that efficiently steams, boils, and makes various delicacies. You can make idlis, instant noodles, and momes, steam veggies, or boil eggs. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Cooker with 2L ceramic-coated inner bowl is engineered for the modern Indian kitchen where health, convenience, taste, and time-saving performance must come together in one compact, powerful, and beautiful appliance, and with its ideal 2-liter capacity that perfectly cooks up to 500 grams or approximately 3.5 cups of raw rice which transforms into 6 to 7 cups of fluffy, aromatic, perfectly separated cooked rice. This cooker is the perfect choice for small families, bachelors, couples, and working professionals who want effortless cooking without compromise. And what truly sets the Imperial apart and makes it an Amazon's Choice product is its premium ceramic-coated inner bowl, unlike ordinary non-stick aluminum bowls that peel, chip, and release harmful chemicals over time. The Imperial ceramic coating is 100% non-toxic, PFOA-free, PTFE-free, scratch-resistant, easy to clean, and designed to promote even heat distribution so that every single grain of rice is cooked uniformly from the center to the edges, preventing burning at the bottom and uncooked layers on top, while also requiring less oil and ensuring your rice, khichdi, pulao, and biryani remain healthier and more authentic in taste. Powered by an efficient 350W heating system that delivers fast heating while consuming minimal electricity, this rice cooker combines power with economy, and its advanced fuzzy logic technology is the brain of the machine, with built-in microcomputer sensors that automatically sense the quantity of rice and water, adjust temperature and heating time intelligently, and compensate for human errors like adding slightly extra water, ensuring you never get soggy, hard, or burnt rice again but get perfect results every single time, whether you are cooking white rice, brown rice, jeera rice, or jasmine rice. Versatility is at the heart of this cooker with its 8 preset cooking functions that turn it from a simple rice cooker into a complete multi-cooker for your entire day, including white rice, brown rice, quick cook, slow cook, steam, porridge, congee, soup, stew, and keep warm, reheat, allowing you to not just cook rice but also prepare delicious oatmeal for breakfast, steam fresh vegetables, momes, idlis, and fish in the included food-grade steam basket, make creamy dal, wholesome khichdi, hearty soups, and nutritious porridge for babies and elders, all at the touch of a single button without the need to stand and monitor, and the thoughtfully included transparent tempered glass laid with steam vent lets you watch your food as it cooks while locking in nutrients and flavor, while the additional steam basket is made from high-quality food-safe material that sits perfectly on top of the cooker, letting you steam and cook rice simultaneously to save time and energy. Product link is given in the 23rd link.